Welcome guys, in this video we'll talking about how to add voice narration or voiceover to your clip. Now first I'll click on this voice narration. Now here whenever I just click on start voice recording, it will start recording my voice. Other than that, you can also select the mic which you have connected to your computer and stuff like that. You can also increase or decrease the voice amount, okay, and you can also change it to mute timeline during recording and stuff like that. If you just click on it, if anything happen or any sound happen in your timeline, it will record this also. So I'll recommend you to click on mute timeline during recording. Okay, now currently if you listen to it, this clip have audio.
Welcome everyone to my video Skype.
You can see this clip have audio. So what I'll do is I'll right click in it and click on silent audio. Now audio will be silenced. You can see there is no audio here. Now I will create a short voiceover. Now this is just for demonstration purpose, so I'll not going to create a voiceover to whole clip. Okay, now I'll just click on this start voice recording and it will start recording my voice. Okay, welcome everyone to my VideoScribe complete course. This is a short course about VideoScribe in which I talk straight to the point and included all important steps in order to make VideoScribe easy for you. You can see how easily we edit our voiceover to this. Now click on stop and then save your voice over here. I can name to something else, VideoScribe voice over. Okay, I'll just save it here and you see it add this file here also in second track. Okay, now if I play this clip. Welcome everyone to my VideoScribe complete course. This is a short course about VideoScribe in which I talk straight to the point and included all important steps in order to make VideoScribe easy for you. You can see how easily we edit our voiceover. Now one more thing, if you forget your script, you can just write your script here. Now for example, I forget my script at this position, so I speak something else. So you can also put your script here and then read your script written here in your script box. Okay, and then start your voiceover.